How to delete archived messages on Facebook Messenger. In this video, I will show you how you can delete all your archived messages on your Facebook Messenger. Whenever you delete any message, it will go to your archived folder but not going anywhere else. So for that, in order to delete all your archived messages or specific one message that you want to remove from your Facebook Messenger, just open your Facebook Messenger app. Once you are on your messenger app, on top left side you can see there are three horizontal lines. Just click on these horizontal lines, and now at the bottom you can see there option called archive. Simply click on this archive option. When you click on this, you can see all your archived messages are here. Now what you will do, if you want to delete specific one, just find that specific archive messages, click on that, click and hold that message and simply click on delete. When you click on delete, it will ask you to confirm that you want to delete or not. Simply click on delete and your message has been deleted. So this is the way you can delete all your archived messages or can find specific one and can delete that message